Hello, I'm back on floor 2. It's really dark. Forgot what door number it is. Yes. Oh yes, this one. Okay. Okay. So I missed some stuff. I found a rat. You can jam this into a generator. Like, I'm gonna show you right here. Damn, they really do not give you that much time. Usually Rush does not take his time. Look. And then you get a badge. Thing is, I already got the badge, so I need that. Move out of the way. Oh, yeah, I need that. Move! Oh my god. Yeah, so you can just jam it there and then look, I still have both fuses, but it just goes away once I put it back in, so. And on the way to Jeff's shop, I actually found this where the waterfall was, so. Yeah, they completely changed a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be looking through floor 1 as well. 60. Giggle? Giggle? Why didn't you tell me you were here, Pookie Bear? Okay, I'm looking for 62? Okay. Thing is about floor 2. Once you're like past Grumble and stuff, the doors just open when you're not even that close to it, bro. That's what I hate. I don't need a lighter. Okay. Whatever, I guess I'll take a lighter. Hopefully this time I can beat it. If I have to use a revive, I will. 63. Oh, snap. Just want to get Figure's attention. Bruh, excuse me. I'm right here. Figure, please go that way. Oh, that would have been great if I saved the lockpick for this. Oh, why did I have to use it? I knew this room was coming. Oh, gods. Figure. Apparently, they changed a lot of stuff, I think. That's what some videos told me. Open it. Okay. That, angers Figure. Oh, snap. Don't come here. No. Figure. Figure. Oh, ma. I know that angers Figure a lot. Please. No. No. Figure. Oh my god. Okay. Figure had his little rampage. Wait a minute, what if I just... Oh snap, it's about to get loud. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna place it over there. Wait, no, I'm not. Okay, go that way, please. Yes. Can you go the other way, please, figure? Thank you. Let's hope I don't die. Okay. Come on, place it. Should go off right about now. Right about now. No. Okay. Okay. Just gonna get him aggro. No, bro. That is not fair! That is not fair! That is not fair! I don't care, bro. I'm gonna have to go back for my stuff. Unless figure 8 it. Can't see anything. That was literally not fair. Okay, can you go now? Thank you. That was not fair, bro. I have Carsus of Fire Dam Broom. 66. No. Of course! This is not fair at all. Trying to beat this, but now I can't because it's too freaking hard, bro. Whatever. See you in the next video. Bye. No, I do not want to play again.